Hi my dear students, good morning to all. In the last video, in the part 2 video, we are discussing squares, sum and tricks. 25 to 35, 35 to 75, 75 to 135. And also we learned the universal trick and a square to ab, b square also. In this video, we are going to learn a or more tricks. Suppose I want here a base method of your choice. Base method. Suppose I want to calculate a square of 32. So you can take any of the base. Suppose you can take any of the number as your base. Suppose here I can take 30 as my base. 30 as my base. So what is the difference between 30 and 32? So what is the difference? Two places. Two places is the difference. So first of all, you have to add this 2 point with 32. That means 34. That means look at observe 32 plus 2. What is it? 34. And in the another step, just subtract 2 from the 32. That means 32 and minus 2. What is the result? 30. So now multiply these two numbers. So I can multiply this in quick way. So multiply it with 3 4 times 12 2 3 3 just 9 9 1 10. That means 1020. What is the result? 1020. 1020 plus what are the difference between this number and I have assumed my base 30. What is the difference? 2. What is the 2 square? What is the 2 square? That is 4. And 1020 plus 4, that is 1024. You can do it in mentally this method. So look at this. Suppose I want to find out the 33 square. 33 square. So you can take your number as your base. Suppose I take 30 as my base. What is the difference between 33 and 33 units? So first of all, add these 3 units to 30. That means 30 plus 3, 33. And in the second step, you can subtract it from the 33. What is this? 3 units. 3 units. So 33 minus 3, 30. So 30 multiplied this 3, that is 36. 36 3 times 1080. 1080 plus 3 square 9. So 1080 plus 9, that is 1089. What is the square of 33 square? 1089. So I can take another number. Suppose 77 square. So what is the 77 square? So input your number as, suppose I want to take here 70 as my base. What is the difference? 7 units. First of all, add this 7 units, that means 84, and subtract it to 7 units from the 77, that means 70. So just multiply it. So 7 into 84, 560 plus 28, 560 plus 28, that means 588, and finally 0 here. Okay. So what is the 7 square? There are 7 units less or more. So 7 square, that means 49. 9295. That means 5929 is the square of 77. You can take any value of your choice and as your base method, your choice. Base method, your choice. You can square of any number as your choice using the base method. Suppose I want to square of 92. Here 92, I can take my base as 90 because nearest numbers are very easily calculate to numbers. I can take 100 also. I can take 80 also. I can take 1000 also. But I have to take the nearest values of 92 so that I can calculate easily. So what is the 2 units less? So first of all, add this 2 units, that means 94. So in the next step, 92 and minus 2, that means 90. So 94 into 90, 810 plus 36, 810 plus 36, 8460. Okay, so what is the square of 2? That is 4. So answer is 8464. In this way, you can take every number as possible as your number as your choice of base method. Okay, we are going to next trick. Let's continue it. Now we are going to move, you can take any number and their square. The units place should be always 1 4 9 6 5 6 9 4 1 0. Suppose I want to square a number, the unit 1 square is 1, always the unit digit 1. Here I want to square 2, a number that contains unit digit 2 and the square would be always the unit digit 4. Suppose I want to take 13 square. 30, what is the 13 square? 169. What is the unit digit? 9. Suppose I want to 25 square. So what is the 25? 625. Here unit digit 5. Suppose I want to take 38 square. What is the 38 square? 1444. What is the unit digit? 4. So there are only numbers that contains perfect squares. Unit digits are 1 4 9. Look at 1 4 5 6 and finally 9 and 0. There are 2 zeros. Unit digit. If you square a number, their unit digits always be 1 or 4 or 5 or 6, 9 or 2 zeros. Okay. A perfect square number, unit digit cannot be, square numbers unit digit cannot be 2 3 7 and 8. If you want to square a number, the unit digit must not be 2 3 7 8. You are not getting 2 3 or 7 or 8. Okay. A perfect square numbers unit digit always be 1 4 5 6 or 9 or zeros. Look at this. 1 square 1 unit digit 1, 2 square 4 unit digit 4, 3 square 9 unit digit 9, 4 square 16 unit digit 6, so on. You cannot get their unit digit as 2 3 7 and 8. In the any situation, if you square a number, the unit digit must not 2 3 7 8. There are always be a perfect square numbers unit digit always be 1 4 5 6 9 0. And now we are going to discuss last two digits of a perfect square number. Last two digits of a perfect square number. So move on. So I want to square 11 square. What is 11 square? 21. If the unit digit is 1, their tens place is always be even. Suppose here 11 square 121. What is 21 square? 441. So 11 square 121. 21 square is 441. Here observe carefully in the tens place. If the unit digit contains 1, their 10 places always be even number. So I can take 31 square is 961. Here also tens place is even number. If the tens place is an odd number, thus that is not a perfect square number. So another example. So 2. Here take 2. 12 square 144. What is the unit digit? 4. Here I want to square 22 square. What is the 22 square? 484. Here unit digit also 4. So their tens places is 8. So here also if you square a number, that is if you get 2 in the unit digits, their tens places always be even number. And look at this 3. That means 3 square 09 and 13 square 169 and also 23 square 529. Here also tens place is even number. I want to find out 33 square 1089. Here also 8 0 6 2 9. These are also even numbers. So move on. Another question. Some questions again. Last two digits two digits of any perfect square number. If you want to square a number, their unit digits we discussed just before it: 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Now there are last two digits. What are the last two digits? They are fixed. Suppose here look it down, tens place, here write down, and this is units place. Suppose units place 1, there always be their 10 place. Look at this. This is 1 and this is 1 to 1, that means units place is 1 and their tens place be even number. Even numbers means 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Look at suppose example. Suppose 1 square 1, that means 0 1. 9 square 81, even also 11 square 121, tens place even, and suppose 19 square 361, their tens place always 6. So if you get the unit place of any perfect square number, this tens place always be even numbers. So here I draw another. Suppose 4. How you get 4? 2 square 4, 8 square 64. Here also observe carefully, 4, 64 tens place always even. Here also 12 square tens place is 4, that is even number. Again 18 square 324 and this tens place is even 2. So even numbers. If you get the unit place of any perfect square number, their tens place also 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And 5. If you get 5 of any perfect squares in the unit place, you will always be get 2 as tens place. 5 square 25, tens place 2, and 15 square 225, tens place fixed. So 25 square 625, 35 square is 1225. Also 10 place always be 2. And look at the 6. If the unit place is 6, look at this 6. Here get 1, here also get 6 square 36, here get 3, and 6 here get 9, and also here get 5. If the unit place of any perfect square number, their tens place is always odd. That means 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So if you get the unit place of a perfect square number's unit place is 1, their tens place always be even number, that are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the unit digit of a perfect square number is 4, their unit place is also even number, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Always be even numbers. If the unit place of any perfect square number is 5, their tens place always be 2. Only 2, not even numbers, only 2. If the unit place of any perfect square number is 6, their tens places always be odd. So example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You can observe carefully. So this concept help you more type of question solving and square root techniques. Thank you my dear friends. If you like my videos and way of solving my methods, please subscribe my channel AB Maths 360. Thank you.